Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can bulk delete the spam posts, pages or comments from your WordPress website. Here, I'm logged into one of my clients' WordPress website and you can see that there are around 8,000 spam blog posts published on this WordPress website. And because of these spam blog posts, the hosting service provider also suspended this WordPress website. Now I'll need to delete all these spam blog posts and get this website up and running again. Now I can select these blog posts and delete them one by one. You will see on this page there are 20 blog posts. I can select 20 blog posts and delete. However, you can see that there are around 8,000 blog posts. So if I select 20 blog posts each time and delete them one by one, and I'll need to repeat the same process for around 400 times. I can also change the number of blog posts that will be shown on this page. If I go to screen option, you will see that it is showing 20 blog posts. Instead of that, I can make it 100, click on apply, and it will show 100 blog posts. So I can now check this box and it will select 100 blog posts and I can delete 100 blog posts. Again, I'll need to repeat the same process 80 times to delete all these spam posts. And here you will see some blog posts are not spam. I have 6 blog posts which are published by the owner and I don't want to delete these blog posts. Again, I can go here and change the number to, let's say, 500, but it is going to take a lot of time to load all the 500 blog posts on this page. So instead of repeating the same process, I'm going to install a free plugin which will help me delete all these spam posts. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for WP bulk delete. So this is the plugin WP bulk delete. This is the free plugin. Click on it, install now and click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel you will see this option WP bulk delete. Click on it and we will be on the dashboard. You will see many different options are there. It is not only for deleting spam posts, you can also delete spam comments, delete spam users and delete categories also. If you are using WooCommerce website, you can also delete WooCommerce products. However, for that you will need a pro version. If you want to clean all the revisions, you will see this option here. Check this option and it will clear all the revisions which are saved on your website. You can also clear all the media metadata. You can trash the deleted post. Now in this case, we are going to delete all the spam posts. However, there are some blog posts which are published by the owner. So I'll go to blog post and go to the post which are published by the owner. And I'm going to move all these original blog posts into the draft. So let's go to quick view and change the status to draft, update. And I'm going to do the same thing for all these 6 blog posts. I'm going to mark them as a draft. Alright, so now all the original blog posts are marked as draft and the status of all the spam posts is published. Now let's go back to WP bulk delete. Let's go to delete post and you will see the filter option here. We have total 7,977 blog posts. If I click on it, you will see different options here. We are going to select the post. We have selected post, then post status is published. If I click on it, you will see other options. If you want to delete the blog posts which are marked as draft, you can select draft also. If there is any pending blog post, it will show. You can select that also. You can select the private blog post also. In this case, we are going to select the posts which are published. If you want to filter them by category, you can also select by category. If I select the category, you will see that we have one category which is uncategorized. So there is no point in selecting categories. If you want to delete the post using tags, you can select tags and filter them out using tags. You can also filter the post by author, advanced date filter. If you want to delete the blog post based on the date, you can select the date. And all the other options are for the pro version. With that, you will see limit, how many posts you want to delete at a time. Let's make it 1,500. I want to delete 1,500 blog posts at a time. and I want them to be deleted permanently. I don't want to move them to trash. I'm going to delete them permanently because I know these are the spam blog posts. So select delete permanently and delete now. Schedule option is not available for the free version. So I've selected delete now and click on delete post. It says 1500 posts will be deleted. Click OK. 1500 blog posts are deleted instantly. So instead of deleting 100 or 200 blog posts manually, you can try using this plugin. I'm going to repeat the same thing. Delete permanently, delete post. Click OK. Definitely you can do it manually. Like I said before, if I go to all posts, you will see now we have 4977. I can go to screen option. I can load 500 blog posts and delete 500 blog posts, but it takes a long time to load 500 blog posts here. So instead of that, you can use this plugin. Right now, let's do the same thing again. Let's make it 2000 this time. Delete permanently, delete post. 2000 posts will be deleted. Click OK. Done. Let's go ahead and make it 2000 again. Now we have only 977, so let's make it 1000. Delete permanently, delete post. Okay. Done. Now we have 8 blog posts. Let's go back to post. And all these blog posts are in a draft, which are the original blog post. All right, so all the spam posts are now deleted within minutes. Now what I can do, I can go back to quick view and publish these original blog posts again. So the original blog post will be restored. So using this free plugin, you can quickly delete the spam posts or spam comments on your WordPress website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.